Greetings, Blender enthusiasts. In today's session, we will be diving deep into the exciting new Blender add-on, Easy Blender Pro by Aldezel. This remarkable tool represents a significant leap forward in 3D modeling technology, offering a suite of features that promise to revolutionize the way artists interact with their digital canvases. Easy Blender Pro's intuitive interface is designed to streamline the creative process, enabling artists to concentrate more on their design work and less on navigating complex software. This emphasis on efficiency and user customization reflects a profound understanding of the needs of the 3D artist community, suggesting that this add-on could indeed be a game-changer, potentially setting a new standard for 3D modeling software. One of the most impressive aspects of Easy Blender Pro is its ability to organize assets and materials into custom icon galleries. This feature is a significant enhancement for the creative process, allowing artists quick access to an easy manipulation of objects and materials. Instead of spending valuable time searching for the right asset or material, artists can now keep their focus firmly on the creative aspects of their projects. This functionality not only improves efficiency but also enhances the overall user experience by making the workspace more intuitive and organized. The add-on's customizable buttons further elevate productivity by allowing users to automate repetitive tasks with ease, thereby saving valuable time and effort. This feature is particularly beneficial for tasks that require repetitive actions, such as applying the same modification across multiple objects or scenes. By automating these tasks, artists can focus more on the creative and innovative aspects of their work, which can lead to more polished and refined outcomes. Another standout feature of Easy Blender Pro is its complete camera control. This feature provides precise adjustments to camera settings, ensuring the perfect framing for every scene. This is especially useful for artists who want to achieve a specific look or feel in their projects, as it allows them to fine-tune every aspect of their camera work to meet their exact needs. Alongside camera control, the full lighting control feature offers detailed management of lighting setups, enabling artists to achieve the desired ambience and mood for any project. These features together make it easier than ever to manage complex scenes and create visually stunning results. Object highlighting and simplified modifiers are also key components of Easy Blender Pro. These features contribute significantly to a user-friendly experience, making it easier to manage complex scenes and apply effects on the fly. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, these tools can help you work more efficiently and effectively. For instance, object highlighting allows you to quickly identify and select specific elements within a scene, which is particularly useful when working with intricate models or large environments. Simplified modifiers, on the other hand, streamline the process of applying and adjusting modifications to objects, making it easier to experiment with different effects and achieve the desired outcome. The ability to add physics simulations with a simple click is another highlight of Easy Blender Pro, bringing dynamic movement and realism to 3D creations. This feature can save artists countless hours of work by simplifying the process of adding realistic motion to their projects. Instead of manually configuring complex physics settings, artists can now add simulations with just a few clicks, allowing them to focus more on the creative aspects of their work. This can be particularly useful for creating animations, as it enables artists to quickly and easily add realistic physics-based interactions to their scenes. Precision modeling is greatly enhanced by the effortless snapping feature, which ensures that every element is perfectly aligned. This is particularly important for artists who need to create precise and detailed models, as it allows them to easily snap objects to specific points or align them with other elements in the scene. This feature can save a significant amount of time and effort, as it eliminates the need for manual adjustments and ensures that every element is positioned correctly. Easy Blender Pro truly empowers artists to unleash their creativity by providing a comprehensive toolset that transforms Blender into an even more powerful and versatile 3D modeling platform. Imagine a workspace where your creativity knows no bounds, where every tool and shortcut is at your fingertips, designed to bring your artistic vision to life with ease and precision. With intuitive controls, you can seamlessly navigate and organize your workspaces, ensuring that your focus remains on your creativity, not on mundane setup tasks. Picture the efficiency of splitting your screen with a simple Ctrl plus Shift plus D, or swiftly navigating through your project with Ctrl plus Shift plus F, enhancing your workflow and productivity. These shortcuts make it easy to manage your workspace, allowing you to quickly access the tools and features you need without disrupting your creative flow. Whether you are working on a complex scene or a simple model, these shortcuts can help you stay organized and focused, ensuring that you can complete your projects more efficiently. Envision the power of one-click searches, where YouTube and Google integrate directly within Blender. This feature provides a seamless gateway to a vast ocean of information, tutorials, and inspiration without ever disrupting your creative process. Whether you need to look up a tutorial, find reference images, or seek inspiration for your next project, this integration allows you to access the information you need without leaving Blender. This can save a significant amount of time and effort, as it eliminates the need to switch between different applications and ensures that you can stay focused on your work. And when you need assistance, it's just a click away with the Quick Help panel, ready to speed up your work and clarify any doubts, ensuring that your creative momentum is never lost. This panel provides easy access to a wealth of resources, including documentation, tutorials, and community support, ensuring that you can find the answers you need quickly and easily. Whether you are new to Blender or an experienced user, this feature can help you overcome any challenges you encounter and keep your projects on track. In this dream workspace, tidiness equates to performance. With a quick Ctrl plus F4, you can clean up your scene, removing all unused data. This optimization of your Blender file ensures peak performance and a smooth, uninterrupted creative experience. By removing unnecessary elements and optimizing your scene, you can reduce file size and improve performance, ensuring that your projects run smoothly and efficiently. This can be particularly important for complex scenes or large projects, as it helps to minimize lag and improve overall responsiveness. The ability to generate quick render previews is another valuable feature, allowing for efficient scene evaluation. This saves precious time and enables rapid iterations and improvements, which is crucial for meeting tight deadlines or experimenting with different artistic directions. By generating quick render previews, you can quickly assess the impact of different changes and make adjustments as needed, ensuring that your final render meets your expectations. This feature can be particularly useful for complex scenes or animations, as it allows you to quickly evaluate different lighting setups, camera angles, and other elements. Window management becomes a breeze with Easy Blender Pro. You can add and customize windows with ease, tailoring every aspect of your workspace to fit your unique needs and preferences. This flexibility allows you to create a working environment that maximizes your productivity and enhances your creative output. Whether you prefer a single window layout or a more complex multi-window setup, Easy Blender Pro provides the tools you need to create a workspace that works for you. Managing materials becomes simpler and more intuitive, allowing you to control and adjust them with unprecedented ease. This makes it possible to bring your scenes to life with the right textures and hues, adding depth and realism to your projects. Whether you are working on a simple model or a complex scene, this feature can help you achieve the desired look and feel more easily. By providing intuitive controls for adjusting materials, Easy Blender Pro ensures that you can create detailed and realistic textures with minimal effort. Lastly, adding quick effects is no longer a chore but a delight. Easy Blender Pro enables you to enhance your creations with stunning visuals while maintaining a workflow that's as smooth as the narratives you weave within your 3D worlds. This is not just a workspace, it's a realm where efficiency, speed, and creativity converge. Easy Blender Pro empowers you to craft not just art, but experiences that resonate and inspire. With a comprehensive suite of tools and features, this add-on transforms Blender into an even more powerful and versatile platform, enabling you to bring your artistic vision to life with ease and precision. Welcome to the future of creativity, where your dream workspace is a reality, and every project is a masterpiece waiting to happen. Embrace this new era of artistic expression, and let your imagination soar to new heights. With Easy Blender Pro, the possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your creativity. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a newcomer to the world of 3D modeling, This add-on provides the tools and features you need to succeed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing Blender tutorials. Don't forget to ring the bell to get notified about our latest uploads. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and join us on the next adventure at Blender Point. Keep blending, and see you in the next video.